Okay, today I am going to explain about the statistic characteristic of the IGBT. Hmm? This is the circuit diagram of the IGBT. This is the graph of the IGBT. See, this is the tabular column. Here also we are using output characteristic of the IGBT. See, this is the output characteristic of the IGBT and also transfer characteristic of the IGBT. In output characteristic, we set for gate to emitter voltage 5.6. In transfer characteristics, we set for collector to emitter voltage for 10 volts. This is the tabular column of output characteristics. These two are tabular column of the transfer characteristic. The IGBT is the combination of MOSFET and BJT. This is like high input impedance like MOSFET and low power to on like BJT. Now I am going to explain about the connection of the IGBT. See, from this is RPS1, this is RPS2. From RPS1, positive terminal is connected to the, this is positive terminal of the RPS1 is connected to the, this is IGBT gate terminal. Then collector of the IGBT, see, this is the collector of the IGBT is connected to the milliammeter negative. Milliammeter positive is connected to the load resistance. See, this is the load resistance. Load resistance output is connected to the RPS2. See, this is the RPS2. Then RPS2 negative is connected to the RPS1. Now the voltmeter, these two are voltmeter. These two are parallelly connected to the parallel connection of the emitter collector and gate emitter. Okay, this is the, see, this is the gate voltmeter, gate to emitter voltmeter. This is the collector to emitter voltmeter. See, this is parallelly connection of this. See, positive of the voltmeter is connected to the gate terminal of the IGBT. Negative of the voltmeter is connected to the, see, this is the negative of the emitter is connected to the emitter terminal. See, emitter terminal, this is the emitter terminal. This is the collector emitter voltmeter. See, positive is connected to the, this is the positive terminal is connected to the collector of the IGBT. This is the negative terminal. See, red wire is connected to the negative terminal is connected to the emitter. You can see. Okay. This is the full connection of the IGBT. Connections are made. This is the circuit diagram. Connections are made as shown in the circuit diagram. Initially, RPS1 power switch is off and RPS2 power switch is off. Now the meters readings are C. Now switch on the both RPS1 and RPS2. Okay, this is the initial condition of the voltmeter and current meter. Okay, first I am going to conduct the experiment of output characteristic of the, see, you can see output characteristic of the IGBT. Okay, first we set for the gate voltage. See, you can see the gate voltage, gate to emitter voltage 5.6. see, by using RPS1, see, this is the RPS1. By using RPS1 we set for 5.6 volts. Okay, 2.8, 3.458, 3.4 volts, 4.08 volts, 4.8, 5.03 volts, 5.6 volts by using RPS 1. Okay, now slowly vary the RPS 2. slowly vary the RPS to. Now the you can see see this is the collector emitter voltmeter. We set for 2.2 volts. Now the current is 0.007. Again we vary for the collector emitter voltage 3 volts. See, now you can slowly vary the RPS to see the current meter. Okay, see, gradually changing the current. See, 4.6, 0.0, 0.010 milliammeter, like that. 7 volts same, 9 volts same, 13 volts, 13.5 volts, 0.011 milliammeter. Gradually increase the voltage. See, 22 volts, 24 volts, you can see 0.012 millimeter. See, you can see the here also. This is the collector emitter voltage. This is the collector current. You can see 24 volts, 0.014 millimeter. Okay, this is the output characteristic of the IGBT. Now I am going to explain about the transfer characteristic of the IGBT. In transfer characteristic of the IGBT, we set for collector to emitter voltage 10 volts. Okay, by using RPS 2. Switch on the RPS 1 and RPS 2. This is the initial condition of the meters. Now slowly vary the RPS 2 by using RPS knob. We set for 10 volts. This is the collector emitter voltage. We set for 10 volts. Slowly vary the gate to emitter voltage. Gate to emitter voltage by using RPS 1. Now you can see. Okay, slowly vary the now IGBT is conducted. Now 6 volts current is 0.005. Again 7 volts, 0.075 millimeter. 8 volts, 0.075 current, gate current, collector current. Okay, slowly vary the gate to emitter voltage. You can see the collector current. Okay, this is the readings of the transfer characteristic of the IGBT. You can see initially 1 to 4 volts 0. After that 5 to 7 volts, you can see gradually increase the collector current. Okay, the statistic characteristic of the experiment is similar to the MOSFET. Same connection diagram and transfer characteristic and output characteristics. Okay, this is the output and readings of the IGBT.